Hey guys, I changed my mind on what video I was going to do next, and apparently I'm going to do this one. So I'm going to chat a little bit about some of the projects I've been working on, and maybe get some feedback. Because I really like the feedback I got from my dugout boat. Thanks for all your kind comments and stuff about the dugout boat. I have some plans for it. I really like the idea of using it as a prop in a photo story, so that could be cool. I was almost considering it, charring it a bit to give it some color. Maybe look like it's beat up. I also have these blocks here. I think they're from a type of Jenga game. So I might make some furniture out of it. Because I've made furniture before out of some Tetris blocks, or Jenga blocks, not Tetris. I made some furniture out of some Jenga blocks before, and it turned out pretty good. And these are just the right. These are just the right size for, just the right size to be a bench. Although I'd have to glue it together like that, because it's actually the right size. So that might be an interesting thing. Also, I've been working on some more flat nail projects. I'll show you some quick videos of those, or some pictures. This one is supposed to be a sword, or maybe like a machete. I had planned to make these kind of just a rustic looking sword or machete. And I'm making this scabbard for it, and it's coming along. It's going to take a little while for me to finish this. Also, this is a smaller knife. This was a roofing tack. I liked how it turned out. It turned out pretty good. I might see if I could find a place to put it on machete. And then on these other knives are like maybe camp knives or a different type of machetes, and maybe they would go good with a boat. Maybe finding a bag of supplies on a rustic boat, or maybe finding a bag of supplies on an abandoned boat. That could be interesting. So that's the plans for my upcoming projects. I'll probably finish working on the knife project next. Flattened nail forge project next. And it's really hot today. It's supposed to get up to 100 and something, like 107. So let's wrap this video up. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys' kind comments and words, and thanks for checking out my videos. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I really appreciate it. Let's get there. Don't forget to click that like button and share this video if you have friends or families who you think would like it. I'd really appreciate that. And don't forget to click to inspire and create. I'll see you in the next video.